Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Stacy. If anybody is new and joining me here for the first time, thank you so much. Hello you. My slogan is believable brown beauty. That doesn't mean you have to be brown to stay and participate. It is just an explanation of the makeup I do on this channel. I also do live get ready with me's on Sunday mornings at 9:30 GMT. So I will leave my Instagram handle for you here and you can follow me there if you want to see me do makeup in real time and just hang out. Also, I like to use makeup in slightly unconventional ways sometimes, so if that sounds like something you'd like, please keep watching. Last Sunday I did my live and my phone decided to die, like literally turn itself off and on at the end of my video. So I lost the whole thing, I couldn't save it, I was like done. So I said I'd recreate that look for this week's video so the people who watched it can see it properly again, and I actually really liked how the makeup turned out, so I thought, yeah, I'll just do that as a tutorial, so let's go. Hello Bugum. It is really early in the morning, and guess who is awake? You look at the camera and say hello. Give mommy a kiss. Okay, you're gonna go to Dida.
No.
Oh, you wanna stay here? Will you be a good boy?
Good boy.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna try this tutorial with on my lap. Lap. Okay, let's go.
No.
First, I am going to take my 24-hour brow setter from Benefit and just brush up my brows. First to Struggolina.
Hey man, make a makeup.
Mr. Maker.
Please maker.
Mm.
Oh da.
Mr. Maker.
Oh da. Makeup.
He's got this show that he loves called Mr. Maker, but he pronounces it Mr. Makeup. Speaking of makeup, I'm going to move on to my foundation. This is so weird. So my Cover FX Power Play foundation in G110. Just buffing that on.
Yeah, wait.
Then in my last video that I looked at, I realised that my body is actually darker than I think it is, and my face looks a little bit off. So I'm going to go back and use some Nars Sheer Glow. Actually, Bug, can you sit on this lap for me? Because Mummy's left-handed, it's probably easier. You sit here. That's it. Okay. So I'm going to take Sheer Glow in Khartoum, which I think is dark number 5.
It's so funny.
What's funny?
To train. Go train.
I'm using a little bit of that on my forehead because my forehead is much darker as well. I just think this creates a better balance to my face. Okay. Then I'm going to go with my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in Cafe. Do you think makeup's funny? Don't touch, Bug. Why is this funny to you? And then I'm going to take a little brush and just blend in my concealer. Concealer. Mummy's concealer?
That one.
Okay, I'm going to do it. Is it better now?
Better.
Can Mummy have this one?
No.
Yeah, sorry about the sound quality. It's not going to be great because he's rattling this tin of mints. If I take it off him, there's going to be a problem. It's really early in the morning, that's why he's awake. And my husband is sleeping and I don't want to wake him up, so I'm going to have to try and do both at the same time.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, Bug.
Hi, Mama.
Hi, baby.
Hi, Mama.
And use a tiny bit of almond. You want to sit still, bug, okay?
Sit still.
Good boy.
Oh. Whoa.
No, 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 buggy. Bug. This is a much more truer representation of how I actually do makeup because Amanda, Mummy's almost done, okay? So I'm just using my foundation brush here just to make sure that the concealer and the foundation, does that look nice?
Yeah.
Thanks. The concealer and the foundation are really blended in together. Then I use this paint pot on the day, quite natural. It's a really grey toned brown, very cool. I feel like because it's getting to the end of summer and coming up to autumn, I can start doing much more wintry looks. So I'm just taking quite natural paint pots and running that all over the lid. What did I say? Mummy said don't touch. To lesser, thank you. And just making sure that the edges are really blended out. I think this colour is really pretty. You could literally just put this on and wear it with mascara. It's something I know that I will use a lot, and I have always really loved this colour. I do like slightly odd, as much as I like really beautiful makeup and stuff that's really pretty and like conventional beauty. Yeah, as I was saying, as much as I like really beautiful makeup, I also like things that are slightly odd. So I do quite favour like grey tone browns and ochres that are a little bit burnt. I just think they're really pretty. Bug, can you stop shaking that, please?
Take it. Oh.
Then I'm taking coffee eye pencil. Oh, what have I done here? I've just realised that I've got lots of brow gel
A basil,
on my face. Yeah, only on one side. Very strange. I just pat that out. Okay, I'm going to take coffee eye pencil and just run this along my lash line. He's gone to wake up my husband. So I am going back to the same brush that I used for the quite natural paint pot, and I kind of like doing this because it makes the two colours blend together in a really easy way. So can you see? It's just making it a little bit smokier. And then blend this one down as well. That wasn't working too well. He's gone with his dad now. So I can try and concentrate a little bit better. Right, so go back to the other side. Take this black kohl pencil, keep it really close to the lash because I don't want it to look like I've got a liner on. I just want to create more depth. I really like using the same brush because it's always got a little bit of the last product you used on it, so it kind of helps it blend together a bit better. Then I'm really feeling gloss at the moment. I'm taking my clear lip glass from MAC, which I really love the products, but I cannot stand the packaging. It's just so messy. I said that in the last video, but it's true. It's a really great product, but the packaging is just such a letdown. So anyway, I'm going to take some on my ring finger and press this really close to my lash line. Some of my friends were talking about like glossy eyes when we were at work on set yesterday, and one of my friends who has got hooded eyes says she still wears gloss, that it's not actually a problem for her. And I feel like a way to get around this idea of feeling like you can't wear gloss if you have hooded eyes is if you wear it almost as if it's a liner, and then that way you'll get longer wear out of the gloss. But to be honest, gloss moves on me too, but it's supposed to. That's the thing that I like about it. I don't mind that it travels and gets a bit messy and smudgy because that's kind of like the whole point of wearing it. Don't know if you know what I did then, but I literally just wipe off my finger so it's dry again, and then I start blending from the top to make sure that it's nice and smooth and that the transition into skin is really pretty as well. Okay, so now moving on to my mascara. I'm using my Extended Play Giga Black as my lash primer. And then on my lower lashes, Then I'm going to go over my top lashes with my In Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash. This is like my ultimate mascara combination. I do this in every video because I really love how it looks. Yeah. I think gloss is such a pretty look, and I feel like it's one of those looks that you can wear all year round. Like, it doesn't really scream summer to me. Well, it kind of does, but then it also feels like quite a wintry vibe as well. Okay, now I'm going to move on to my brows. The reason why I did my brows, or the reason why I'm doing my brows now, is because I wanted to see how strong the eyes were going to be. I definitely want that to be the feature of the makeup, and I never really do strong brows anyway, but I just wanted to get my glossy eye on first and then look and see, how much brow do I need? If both my eyebrows look like this one, I probably wouldn't put anything on, but they don't. So I'm going to fill in Strugglina and try and make her match. So that's kind of all I want, really. Nothing too structured. I like the gaps in my brow. It looks like hair. And on this side as well, just a tiny, tiny bit. It's so funny how your brow tastes change. I used to do my brows really solid, really strong. I don't know, I feel like as I've gotten older, I'm just preferring everything softer. Right, now I'm going to move on to blusher. I'm using this Sephora Creamy Lipstick. I can't remember the colour of it. It's not number 8. Number 8 is a really, really bright one that I use sometimes. This is not it. It's slightly softer, but I will find it and leave it in the description box below for you. And I like to use liquid lipstick as blush because it is really long wearing. That's like a little trick of mine. Now for lips, I'm really confused about what lip to do. So I'm going to try both because I don't know which one I'm going to like the most. So first I'm taking Cork Lip Pencil and I'm kind of filling in half of my lip. So I'm going to use a tiny bit of coffee. And use my finger just to blend it in and get a bit more definition on the edges. I also really love using this eye pencil for lips because it's a really cool tone. Sometimes I find that too many lip pencils, especially the brown ones, are really red, and I don't always want a red toned brown. Sometimes I do this with a brush, but you can do it with your fingers too. Yeah, just like that. Then I'm taking this product from Beauty Pie. It's called Brown Sugar. I think it's a lip gloss. It smells yummy. That's pretty. So it's kind of like a grey toned pink. Really, really like that. I feel like this is a really good transition from summer into winter makeup. This is a really good autumnal, like early autumn makeup. It's not too dark, but there's a slight sultriness and smokiness and definitely a deeper tone to the colours that you're using. So yeah, I really like this first lip combo, but now I'm going to try my other one that I thought I would really like. I don't know if many people are going to like it because it's very, very grey, but I do love this lipstick, so I'm going to show you that look too. Just take off this lip. Alright, I'm taking my coffee pencil again this time. It looks almost black, but it's not. Oh, let me use a smaller mirror. I've got my new glasses now, so I think my next tutorial is going to be a makeup for glasses. People who wear glasses, not for actual glasses, because glasses don't wear makeup. So that is the lip liner on its own, and then I'm taking Stone lipstick from MAC, and I really love like pressing and rolling my lips as a way of blending colours together as well. Let's just check this lip liner doesn't look even. Yeah. And this is the second lip colour, so if you would wear something much more bold, this is definitely an option for you to consider. I love this lip combo. I wear it quite a lot. Sometimes I wouldn't put any colour on the eye, I'd just do mascara in this lip, but this is a really interesting autumnal tone. So yeah. But yeah, that's the end of today's makeup. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you to everyone who stayed to the end. I appreciate it because I know that I can talk quite a lot, but I like to explain things and give a bit more information. So yeah, this is it. What else do I need to say at the end? I always forget this. Okay, if you haven't already, please subscribe. And if you are subscribed, please don't forget to hit the notification bell just so you get notifications of when my videos go up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, guys. Bye.